Yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good day to you all. My name is Boye, popularly known as Boye Best. I want to use this video to apologize to Prince Goke Bajọwa, to please forgive me in whatever ways I might have offended you. I believe and I know Prince Goke Bajọwa is a father to me, or to say big brother to me, and I love him so much. In my own thoughts, I was thinking that while singing his song, Olorin, I was also promoting him, because I believe everybody already knows he's the owner of the song. The song has been composed for so many years, so there will not be any need for me to start introducing him like maybe I'm introducing him. Like the name is already, it's an institution, Prince Goke Bajọwa. So he's a legend that we all respect. We respect him, and I've reached out to him personally. We talk at length to play with him. Coincidentally, there are a lot of many of my fans who are his fans too. So I want to let you all know that he's not angry with me anymore on this matter. He's not angry with me anymore on this matter, and henceforth things will be done in proper way. And of course, I don't need to start telling people what his son want to do to bless his father. So that is between me and my God, and between me and him. So my people, please, we are no more fighting on this matter, and I don't even have the power to fight him from the beginning. I wasn't, and I can't, and I will never. I love him so much. He's a father to me, and I'm so sorry if I've wronged him in any way, if I've offended you in any way on this matter. Olorin could have been here. So I'm very, very sorry, sir. I love you so much. And again, I'm using this time out, to invite you officially. You are supposed to sit down, come and see great things that your son is doing. You are a father to me, and we all come from a Christian family. Yes, sir. My father died as a reverend, and you are also a pastor. So, so I've never, been to studio to record your song officially, or be that stupid to think I will take your song and I'll put it in my album. That's stupidity. And even if you don't talk, there's wrath of God on people that, that do that, that operate on that level. So, and I don't want wrath of God. It has never come to my thought. It has never been my thought to even do that. So, I have no excuses. I'm not trying to explain anything. I just want to say I am so sorry, sir. I love you so much from the beginning even till now, even before you know me. So may God continue to bless you, sir. And I want you to warm you. Kókó ní pa yín, àrùn ní ṣe yín lọ́jọ́. Àwọn olólùfẹ́ yín náà wọ́n máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ yín lọ ni. Tàwọn tèmi náà máa nífẹ̀ẹ́ tèmi náà lọ lágbára Ọlọ́run. And àlè máa parí ẹsẹ̀ olùgbàlà lágbára Ọlọ́run. Kò sẹ́nibọ̀dì tọ́nà bá fa ọwọ́ bíbọ̀ ẹsẹ̀ yín. Your glory will continue to shine. I've never looked down on you. I've never been I've never been arrogant. I'm not an arrogant boy. And I continue to say that. So it's a kind of miscommunication. And I apologize greatly to you, sir. May your days be long, and may you walk and never stumble. So, Baba, Joe, Daddy Joe, I'm your son, and I continue to be your son. So please, sir, my people, Goke Bajọwa loves you. And good Goke Bajọwa, my people loves you too. So if you are free on Wednesday, which happens to be tomorrow, please join us. Let's celebrate together. Let's launch this new equipment and new album together. Let's celebrate God. Let's celebrate God. Let's celebrate God. Let's celebrate the glory. All this thing is to His glory alone, not to my glory and not to anyone's glory. Yes. Gbogbo pátápátá lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ló wà sá. Ẹ má bínú sí mi. Mo bẹ̀ yín. Mo dẹ̀ bẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí àti ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ mi àti ẹ̀yin tẹ́ jẹ́ otherwise, Ọlọ́run á fún gbogbo wa ní ẹ̀mí sùúrù àti àlàáfíà, àní ṣiṣẹ́ dànù fún ẹlòmíràn láti jẹ lágbára Ọlọ́run. So may God continue to bless you, sir. I'm sorry. May heaven light continue to be our guide. I love you, sir. Please Goke Bajọwa. One love. Thank you. God bless you.